Welcome to our presentation on AEM as Cloud CDN configuration focusing on client-side redirects. In this session, we will explore how Adobe Experience Manager can be configured to handle client-side redirects efficiently. Client-side redirects can be set up for various status codes like 301, 302, and others. When a rule matches, the CDN responds with a status line that includes the status code and message, such as HTTP 1.1301 moved permanently, along with the location header set. Both absolute and relative locations with fixed values are permitted. Here is an example of a client-side redirect configuration. This rule specifies an absolute redirect where the path, old page, HTML, is redirected to https://example.com/new page, with a 301 status code. Another example of client-side redirects is a relative redirect. In this case, the path, old page, HTML, is redirected to new page. This type of redirect is useful for maintaining relative paths within the same domain. Country-based access rules can be configured to block traffic from specific countries. For instance, this rule blocks non-Australian countries from accessing the content. Such rules are essential for compliance and regional content delivery strategies. IP-based access rules allow you to block requests from specific IP addresses. In this example, the rule blocks requests coming from IP 192.168.1.1. This is useful for security and controlling access to your content. Thank you for watching the Knowledge Share series. We hope you found this information on AEM as Cloud CDN configuration and client-side redirects valuable. Stay tuned for more insights and updates.